we heard about Crawford, it was great because they had been in service, for a long time. They had the experience in stainless steel. They had the experience in welding, and that's really what sold us on this. Customer experience was great. From the first time we went down there, they walked us through everything, how it's going to be made, the time that it's going to be made, time frame that it was made also worked great into our timing, because they can produce a brew house faster than most of the places, even China builds. They walked me through everything. Which side do I want the mash tun on? Which side do I want the boil kettle on? Where do I want this? Where do I want this? And it was pretty customizable. If I wanted something in a different spot, they were more than willing to move it for me. I've received calls, I've received emails, and I'm always happy to help new breweries that are in the same position that I was. And I always tell people that Crawford was a great company to work with. I've never really had any problems with the brew house, and that goes a long way. I mean, we've been producing beer on it for 5 years now, and really nothing has gone wrong. So it's been a great system to work on. They stand behind their product, and that means more to me than anything. So.